Hello and welcome. If you are curious or you're confused and you don't know where your starting point is in music, you are in luck because today we're going to be asking ourselves 10 different questions, and these questions will help you identify where you are in your music. I'm Monta Monique, founder and creator of Move Over Mozart, and I would like to say a big welcome. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. And most importantly, share this video with someone you know that is excited to learn about music. So here we go. Question number 1. I am familiar with hand positions and finger numbers. Question number 2. I know how to find middle C and have good posture at the piano. Question number 3, I know the notes on the keyboard. Question number 4, I'm familiar with counting and measures and can read basic time signatures. Question number 5, I'm familiar with intervals in both hands. Question number 6, I can identify whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes. Question number 7, I can identify notes in the treble clef and the bass clef. Question number 8, I can read notes on the grand staff. Question number 9, I can identify sharps and flats. And finally, question number 10, I can identify the difference between major and minor. Now, if you were unable to answer any of these 10 questions and were just staring blankly at the screen, then you're probably very new to piano or music. You're an absolute beginner. If you were able to answer maybe 4 or 5 out of the 10 questions, then you're probably a new beginner. You've probably studied music from 1 to 6 months. Now, if you were able to answer nearly all the questions, so all the 10 questions sounded familiar to you, you knew generally what the questions were, you were able to answer them without much hesitation, you're probably a beginning intermediate student. So this will help you identify when you are starting your practice plan, where you need to begin. And if you are really keen to figure out how to organize your daily practice plans so you can get the most out of your practice, be sure to join our 5-day free practice plan challenge. Now, if you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this lesson with a friend. And also, you might want to check out some of our behind the scenes over on Instagram. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson, and I'll see you at your next lesson.